Yeah. Sending notices to 1023 Kitchen Dick Road. Yeah. I want to sue my. Okay. I want to sue this county for intentionally using the wrong address for 5 years. Right. Issuing protection orders where there are forgeries and misrepresentations. Yes. And as this notice states, yeah, September 27th of 2016, I was not docketed to appear in court until that date. Now, I would have thought that if I was docketed to appear before Judge Rick Porter, right, this date would have said September 6th of 2016. Yes, the same day as the issuance of this failure to appear. Now, can you fail to appear for an undocketed court hearing? Can you can you fail to appear for an undocketed court hearing? Mm-mm. Now, there could have been a notice before this date. Maybe somebody would like to notice, but I don't think there was. I think you just decided that you would arbitrarily obligate people to appear in court without having notice of court hearings and without having the wrong address on the court hearings. Pooch. So that Mike Van Point could laugh his fucking ass off. Now I'm going to want the insurances of every athlete in every high school and junior high of the United States of America. I think it's, well, dangerous to the actual physical bodies of the other students to play athletes that are that much bigger, pooch, that are 2 grades behind the rest of the athletes. Could have caused a lot of injuries to the other football players and basketball players. Now let's look at the mental health evaluation for the cell hearing that I'm going to. Well, it says here that Phyllis said that there was somebody else. Ooch. Now, not having the authority of jurisdiction means that on 10/6 of 2000, it was evaluated while incarcerated in Clallam County Jail. Yes. And a report was written, although he did not participate in the competency evaluation. Spoke for 25 minutes about how he disputed the charges against him. He denied having a mental illness and resented that a competency evaluation was ordered. Yes, I did resent it, considering I didn't miss a docketed court hearing. You discussed my case when I wasn't in the court. You issued a failure to appear, and you put me in fucking jail for 27 days. Now, I would say this invalidates this whole mental competency evaluation. Yeah, a little different than the mental health evaluation. See, screening at Western State Hospital include a previous community forensic evaluation service on 10/6 of 2016. Now, Mr. Range, yeah, public defender, yeah. You know, when you don't talk to your client, you don't really understand the significance of what just happened. I'm suing the Jefferson Associated Council. In fact, I'll sue every public defender in every fucking city in the United States. I'll sue every attorney, poach, and all the prosecuting attorneys that got elected to office, Brett. Because when you put me on the docket and you continue to use the wrong address because Mike paid to laugh his ass off at me not getting notice of court hearings, yes, me not getting the actual warrants for my arrest, poop. It would have been something where you'd say, oh, he's going to run. I'm really not one of those types of individuals. You give me a warrant, notice, subpoena, or summons to appear in court, I will, pooch. But when you discuss my case and I'm not fucking there, I'm not appearing in court. It's very corrupt on the part of the judiciary to discuss defendants' cases when they are not docketed to appear. How's that insurance, Judge? Have you got your umbrella insurance paid up? Now, 6th day of September 2016 was not a docketed court hearing. Yes, My attorney discussing, right, my case without me being docketed to appear in court violates my rights. Now, there's more than attorney-client privilege. Yes, you would have thought the public defender's office, but you had to be total witches. Now, let's see here. Illegal entry. Oops, illegality. The act that is forbidden by law. The state of not being legally authorized. A contract made ultra vires. When you assign counsel as an indigent, does it violate the indigent contract of representation? I gotta fucking tell you right now, it does. It seems that there's some illegality, yes, that is forbidden by law. And then there's the abuse and harassment of those that are indigents, which that the state doesn't understand exactly the significance of that. Now, it would have been one thing if I had paid an attorney to represent me and decided to go to court when he wasn't supposed to be there. Yes, to represent his client because the prosecuting attorney had mentioned that I wanted to reschedule my mental health evaluation. But considering that public defenders are oftentimes in court representing other defendants, yes, why don't you get me the actual audio and video of, I think it was September 4th. I can look at the actual dates. Because when you pay an attorney to appear on your behalf, yeah, there would have been no reason for that attorney to be there before the 27th of September. It's really an abuse and a harassment of those that are indigent. Yes, for any prosecuting attorney or any public defender to mention a case where if I had had paid counsel, they would not have appeared in court until the 27th of September. Now, I could have, okay, because we did go through the public defender's office, but if I was paying for the actual attorney representing me, yes. And they had agreed with the judge to arrange for a mental health evaluation, yes. They would have represented that I had the blood nausea that day, yes. And they had rescheduled, and when we appeared in court on 27th, yes, I would have had the representation that would explain to the judge right now. So really, you're using the public defender's office and the prosecuting attorney's office to illegally harass and be malicious and abusive because there would be no fucking reason for my paid attorney to be in court that day. There would have been no reason to issue a failure to appear, and there would have been no fucking reason